Have MICROMAX Bolt Q346, and let me show you how to enter here the test mode, the factory MMI mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, choose power off and tap OK to confirm it. Let's wait until your device will be completely switched off. And then you need to use the following combination, power key and volume down. Let's hold on together those two keys, power key and volume down. And release both keys as soon as Android logo pops up on the screen. Excellent, this is MMI Test Mode, so here you can perform full test, you can perform item test, and for example check the version of the device. Here you can also tap pass or fail, you can see the LCD test, so you can test all colors of the screen. If everything alright is that you have to tap pass. Here you can also test the camera, key test, charger, hardware and lots of more. If you would like to go back and quit this mode, let's use the back key, and here from the main menu you can also see the test info, you can perform the hard reset, or you can see the firmware version. If you would like to quit this mode, let's choose power, tap restart and tap OK. Let's wait until your device will be ready to use. Excellent, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.